Tiki M saw my pregnancy results kazethu and went to tell Xolani that he's going to be a father, violating a patient confidentiality clause. Uzet is devastated because Ulikamva is no more now, she's carrying his baby. And Usit is frustrated that Klingwe to stage an assault to get Landla out of prison. And Azande is power hungry, wanting to be CEO and not interim CEO. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Iniba. Uzethu busy blues are thinking about all the times that she spent no Lukamva daydreaming Shem, even the time that he proposed and she said yes, like they had a bright future ahead of them, but now he's gone and she's left no baby Likamva to raise alone. Yo, what's the kanzima? So she went to the hospital to take a blood test because she didn't believe the pregnancy test. They went to take a blood test results again. The blood test results came to Ntsigi's hands. Obviously, she opened them and read them. Now here she is making hints to Xolani because she's busy saying it's funny how that times just change just so fast. Jiggy umntwana, jiggy, you are going to be a father. But when I don't go around impregnating girls, Ati Xolani babies are far on the cards for him. He doesn't see himself being a father anytime soon. I tell you, when is it don't never say never. Tlati then advises him, don't go around impregnating girls. Can't he is the grandfather. Ulikamva left a seed Uzethu. Now, Uzethu gets a phone call from the hospital after getting an email with the test results telling her that my results are back and they've been sent to her. She panics and goes to tell Mawethu, oh, results are back, because I think she wanted the moral support from Umawethu. And then she opens them to Mawethu. Mawethu like, what are they saying? Then they open them together. She starts reading them again. I think they tested her for a whole lot of things. And she starts looking and sees but then it's first was just like, I'm scared to look. Umawethu is like, let's just check and see, man. I check again and find that my pregnancy test results came out positive. Yo, Uzethu was devastated, like she could not believe it. They positive. Umawethu oh no, now she's frustrated, saying, oh my word, no, it can be. Umawethu you can take the day off, the afternoon off, call someone, call your mom, your dad, or talk to someone. But Uzethu is like, we cannot tell anyone. We can't tell anyone about this. And Umawethu is like, why? Is it Xolani's baby? Uzwe, and then quickly like fixed it and said, I'm not trying to judge, I just want to know. But Uzet was just so frustrated and like just super frustrated, and she said that she can't do this, like obviously like she's still young, Ulikamva is gone, like this is just too much to drag her. I mean, she has just started a new relationship, no Xolani, so this whole thing, it's a lot, it's a mess. Unsika then goes to Xolani to tell him, what are you doing, man? Because she saw Xolani Nozethu the other day at the hospital and tells, well, are you dating a girlfriend Gamfowen? Xolani is like, yeah, Zelethu and I are singing together, are seeing each other. But how far has it gone? She says we are intimate, but we haven't done some other things, implying that we have not slept together. But Unsiki assumed that they've slept together and says, hey, when Xolani Uzethu came to the hospital and did some pregnancy tests, so you are going to be a father when uzoba ngutata. Yes, I know I'm going to get in trouble doing this, but I'm telling you anyway, uzoba ngutata, you're going to be a father. Uxolani is sure to talk, kanjani, I'm going to be a father, because he knows that they haven't slept together. Yo, I wonder how the family is going to feel when they hear this. Utumega knowing that uzoba nomzukulu, they're just going to make it difficult. Uzethu won't even have a choice to decide if she wants to keep the pregnancy or not. And then Sydney is talking to Uzinhle on the phone. Umauke wants to speak to her. Apparently Uhlengiwe staged the whole attack Lwandle just so that she can push for Lwandle to be released. You're so cruel. How can you do that? What kind of a mother does that? Staging a whole assault just to get your son out? Avela xasuka mshiyeke uSydney because he was so disappointed ukuthi how can Hlengwe do something like this. And then uSydney also reassured Zethu ukuthi it's fine. Her testifying does not affect her job. Umsebenzi wakhe is still safe. And uXolani Shem on the other hand is still trying to understand what's going on and say ukuthi uZethu must not he wants this, he wants to see where it takes them. Kanti hey, uZethu is already pregnant ngumntana ka likamva, so he's going to be a stepdad somntana kamfowabo. Zoleka is away, went overseas, left Lazarus misses Hashem. They haven't been apart. He says that he hasn't slept out alone in a very long time. Ngapha Azande is power hungry. He wants to be CEO so bad that he's not even acknowledging that he's interim CEO only because Uzoleka is not around for now. He even wants to make changes, but Lazarus put him in his place and told him, you said you want a position, you have it, and you don't change. Now he wants to blackmail him, trying to make threats. Qawe pushed him. It doesn't matter. You can make threats all you want. You don't change. This is the position you wanted. This is what you're getting. Interim CEO, take it or leave it. The next thing is in Zoleka's office, saying office CEO, so he's using it because Wamanje is CEO. The next thing is doing the same thing that Onga was doing to Mawethu when he arrived, because here he is like Onga, like work that is supposed to be done by junior staff like Oqhawe. So Onga tried to tell him, no man, that's a job for junior staff, but I'm asking you to do it Mhlongo, so you do it. Oqhawe was like, no, he's right, I can do it. But nope, the instruction is from Mhlongo. Are you going to do it or not? Now, Onga is especially getting a taste of his own medicine, because this is exactly the same thing that he did to Mawethu when he got to Khusela. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.